Alright, so today we're going to be putting in a hard drive caddy for a 2012 MacBook Pro. Alright, so now that we got the back cover off, this is the optical drive. So as you can see, I already replaced my hard drive with the Samsung SSD, but I'm going to be putting the old mechanical hard drive in place for the optical drive. Alright, and I don't know if this is just me, but after I put together the drive and tried to connect to Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi was off and the date was December 31st at like 7 p.m. So I tried going to Google and I couldn't connect to the Wi-Fi. Like it saw Wi-Fi networks, but I couldn't use them. So like I couldn't search anything. And so what I did was I set the date and time, and for some reason that fixed it. So just in case you have this problem, that's how I fixed it.